Hey guys, welcome to another fun-filled episode where we are going to be working on some tires. So these are the Tusk D-Sport Adventure from the store, and we are going to be swapping them. So first thing we need to do is get this guy up on a stand and start working on it. Should be pretty sweet. So first we're going to use a very scientific method for getting the bike off the ground on the front side. We're going to put a weight on the back. 35 pounds should do it. All right, so we got our wheel off, and I mean, it's pretty simple. You just loosen the pinch bolts and you unscrew this single bolt right here, which I did not grease enough, looks like, and we'll get rocking and rolling. So I've never swapped a tube in a motorcycle, but it's gotta be about the same as a tube on a bicycle, right? Can't be that different or difficult. But look at this. Not sure if you can see that. Look at those bends. Someone has been smacking this against something right here. Oh, really bad. It's in pretty rough shape, this rim. So we're gonna try and bend this rim back just using a big old crescent wrench and see what we can do. And we also have these wheel weights, which we need to take off. I don't know how to take off wheel weights, but we're gonna take them off. We're gonna take that off as well, okay? I'm gonna take off this wheel weight, just, here we go. That was easy, just twisted that. So grab your favorite tire irons. Mine are 16-inch tire irons, which I quite enjoy. Just gonna get this a little wet, so this will come off just a little bit easier. We don't actually care about the inner tube because we're going to swap the inner tube. Again, these are 12-year-old tires. They're incredibly old. So that's why I'm swapping them. They actually have a decent amount of life left. I would keep using them, but I'm in a position where I can just buy new tires, and I know they're good, and I've been wanting to do this. I've been wanting to fix the rim as well. So this is going to be good. So we're breaking new ground here. I actually don't know what I'm doing, but I want to heat up this metal just a little bit, just so it bends easier. And then I'm just going to try and bend it back into place, because I can see where it's warped. And then I'm going to take my favorite wrench, my Apocalypse wrench, and we're just going to tighten it on here. And we're just gonna gently caress it back into place. Well, I mean, it's better. And that's good. And my wheel was sticking on just fine before, so I imagine it'll continue to be just fine. Okay, let's stick this thing back on. Okay, so we've got our tire and we're ready to go. The front is going to be a Tusk D-Sport 90-90-21. Slightly different size of tire than what comes with it, but I really did want the Tusk D-Sports for a couple of reasons. One, Man, they're cost effective. This one was $57.99, and they are a rotational tire, so we got to make sure that it's going the correct direction. Rotation this way. That was pretty intense. Very thick sidewalls. Click it 3 times, and then tighten down the cinch bolts. All right, our tire's on, it's balanced, it's good to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. We'll do the rear one next.